Are you running out of space on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac because of all those precious photos, videos, or important files? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy or upgrade your iCloud storage. Let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID from the top, tap iCloud. Next, tap on Upgrade for some storage. Now select the plan you want. You can either get 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. After selecting, tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Then, double hit the side button and hit the subscribe button. Next, follow the payment steps and you'll have more space on your iCloud. So guys, that's how you buy or upgrade iCloud storage on your iPhone. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.